Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 brushless angle grinder. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, 125mm brushless angle grinder. Specifications. Brand name, Yofidra. Type, angle grinder. Power source, electricity. Disc diameter, 125mm. Usage, home DIY. Power, 1280W. Diameter of grinding disc, 125 ohm. Number of styles, 3 gears. Spindle diameter, M14. Weight, about 1,400 grams. The item number 2 is 125mm angle grinder. Specifications. Brand name, no N name _ null. Rated voltage, 21 volts. Disc bore diameter, 14mm. Disc diameter, 125mm. No load speed, 0.11000 per minute. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Weight, 2.5 kilograms. Charging time, 1 to 2 hours. Battery capacity, 3000 mAh/4500 mAh. Cutting depth, 20mm. Motor, brushless motor. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Wasai M14 cordless angle grinder. Specifications. Brand name, Wasai. Rated voltage, 20 volts. Disc diameter, 125mm. Dimensions, 10 x 20-30 cm. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Model number, WSJ7. Weight, 2.5 kg. Motor speed, 5,000 10,000s per minute. Power source, battery. Grinding hole, 22mm/7/8. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.